I'm cooking chicken wings on the barbecue today with the delicious Cambodian turmeric and black pepper marinade, served with coconut grilled sweet corn. The chicken's already been marinating for a couple of hours. I grated some fresh turmeric root. It's well worth using fresh if you can find it because it's really zingy. Some soy sauce, some fish sauce, some ground black peppercorns, garlic and lime leaves. Try to find fresh or frozen lime leaves if you can because they taste way better than dried. And I rubbed it all into the chicken in a food bag, which makes it really easy. They're going to take about 20 minutes to cook all the way through, and I'm going to turn them regularly to make sure they stay nice and juicy. I'm going to shut the lid to create a nice oven heat whilst I prepare the sweet corn. So I just need to peel away the outer husk like this, and then get rid of the stringy fibrous bits inside. You don't need those, but keep the husk on because it will make a great handle for turning the sweet corn. They go on the barbecue next to the chicken, and I'm going to baste them with a coconut dressing. So it's just coconut milk, fish sauce, palm sugar, a chopped bird's eye chilli and a grind of salt and pepper, all stirred together. So I'm going to baste them really well, brushing it well into the kernels. And I'm just going to keep basting them and turning them until they're cooked and flavourful all the way round. So with this recipe, it's important that the barbecue is not too hot, so everything cooks nice and gently and evenly without burning on the outside. And that's all there is to it. Once the wings are cooked through, I'm going to pile them onto a plate with the sweet corn, and we can tuck in serious Cambodian finger food.